right. So now my brother, this is my brother. I ain't gonna we're not gonna clown. He's not a professional when it comes to racing. He's not an enthusiast when it comes to really getting the most out of the car. But you know, we ran with the G8 against his man. You know, my G8. You know what it has? The mods. It has the man, I always forget the mods. It got an intake tune, long tubes, full exhaust, but it has the Yank converter. And I always told y'all that a Yank converter is gonna get power out of your stock automatic. And you have nothing but a
cold air intake.
Cold air intake, that's nothing. So you have 3 extra horsepower that you got from the cold air intake on your 460 horsepower LT. The Pontiac runs good, so I suggest you guys get a converter. Yeah, fine. All right, you ready? Yeah. So then we took a drive and I pulled out the old C6 here, the old cam C6. And it wasn't too pretty at all. It just, the thing runs away. Just runs away. But I tell you, man, if this right here, if I had a C7, you gotta lower it, man. I know you got some wheels coming. What color are they, like graphite?
Black satin.
Black satin, okay. So you got wheels on the way. We're gonna get rid of them old man chromes. We're gonna lower it a little bit. We should lower it while you're here.